something that didn't fit inside the egregore thought of blackness and what it mean to be spiritual and of light and of God. And all the while you felt choked and small and contained. And you knew that there was so much more. So you lived in a kind of inner resentment toward Black people. These are the conversations that folks are having quietly, and they don't have it until they come over to people like me. And you think you're the only one because you're not talking about it with the real ones. And not only talking about it, doing the real thing. The true almighty work that integrates all things. All. We not doing basic good enough.